Okay, today we're going to make a paper fan out of old book pages. So I have some old book pages here. You're going to need 6 in total, and we are going to paint them with some watercolor. So I've got some water here and just some simple watercolor. And just to make our fan more decorative, we're going to paint them. So you can paint as much or as little as you want of your paper. I like to cover it, but you only really have to paint one side because we're going to double up these pages to make our fan a little bit stronger to keep us cool. It's Dog Day August and it's hot out, so we want a fan to help cool us down. So once all your pages are painted on at least one side, you don't really need to paint the back side, you're going to match them up. So match them white sides together, match them up. So unpainted side to unpainted side, like so. And then you're going to fold them, an accordion fold. So fold one way, and then flip it and fold the other way. Fold and flip. And if you have a little bit extra at the end, you can kind of just fold that over, because when we match these up and tape them together, we can just tape that on. But you are going to want your folds to be about the same size, so once you've folded one of them, you can use that as a guide for where to fold in the next one. So I just kind of eyeball it, hold that spot with my thumb, fold, and flip. Fold, and flip. We've got a little accordion there. I'm going to set those under my tape. We're going to use the tape in a little bit. But first I need to get my size off there. Right about there. Okay, so now we have 3 of these accordion folds. We're going to match them up end to end and tape. So we'll tape a little at the top and at the bottom. And then I like to put just a few pieces over the edge here to keep it all together. And if your pages haven't dried completely, you might get some rips when you do this, and it might be hard to tape, so you really want to make sure that all the liquid has dried from your watercolor. And then we're going to match this end up. And like I said before, when we do that, we can kind of hide this a little bit. This little extra spot can go over. So tape over the edge. Because we have a little folded over extra, I'm going to flip this so that I can tape this edge too. And you're going to fold it all back up, crease, crease, crease. And you've kind of got a fan already, but we're going to hold it together at the bottom with some tape. Now the option here, after you've taped over it, if you want, you can tie some ribbon around to hide the tape, but the tape is pretty clear if you use Scotch tape, so you may not need to. And then you have a fan, all ready to keep you cool.